Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a game-changer topic, 5 jobs that can help you earn money while sitting at home. If you're ready to discover flexible opportunities that allow you to work from the comfort of your own space, then you're in the right place. From freelancing and online tutoring to virtual assistants and content creation, we've got a lineup of home-based jobs that can put cash in your pocket without ever leaving your cozy haven. So grab your favorite drink, hit that like button, and let's explore how you can achieve financial freedom right from home. Let's get started. Number 1, customer services. Customer service offers the highest number of work from home opportunities. People who exhibit great communication skills and have a lot of patience are perfect for this job. Companies look for the workers who have great speaking skills and can help the customers resolving their grievances. They give quite a decent pay for these jobs, and that also adds up to your skills and experience. Here, you'll be talking to the company's customers and help them solve their issues with the product and give them after-sale services. Number 2, online tutor. Are you bored of the school schedules but still want to teach? Then get yourself registered to one of the online tutoring sites and start teaching. All you have to do is make your profile on the site giving the details about your prior experience and the subjects you can teach. Once you get registered, you will be supposed to take classes on Skype or do some pre-recorded sessions. You can also teach and give lessons in cooking, yoga, and music, etc. Number 3, content writing. If you have a good command over grammar and have a flow in your writing, you can go for this job. There is a high demand in the market for well-researched content creators and writers. There are many startups which are in dire need for content writers. Apply, test your skills, and luck. Number 4, designing. Are you good with creative graphics and virtual drawing? Here's one more job for you. Whether it be for promotion, marketing, or even for a social cause, companies design their campaigns from time to time. They let you work and design various posters and other graphics for these campaigns and events. Number 5, pollster. Pollster is someone who takes or arranges a poll. Companies hire people for taking the surveys. As a pollster, you are supposed to take public's opinion on given topics and issues. It could be during the elections asking people about their expectations with the minister, or it could be a product survey also. Someone who is good with people and can talk to them freely can do this job well. And there you have it, folks. We've just uncovered 5 fantastic home-based job options that can help you earn money while enjoying the comfort of your own space. Whether you're a freelancer, a virtual assistant, an online tutor, a content creator, or exploring other remote opportunities, remember that success comes with dedication and a touch of creativity. Thanks for tuning into today's video. If you found these job ideas inspiring, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep hustling from home and turning your dreams into reality.